The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, says the government spends 2 billion Ghana cedis on the free senior high school policy annually.
At the 2020 President's Independence Day Awards, Dr. Bawumia said, quality human capital is the greatest resource of any country, and this investment is worth every pesewa. He was confident that the government, through the free SHS policy, will transform and deepen the country's human capital to compete effectively in the global space.
President Independence Day Awards provide annual scholarship to young brilliant students between ages 14 and 19 from Ghana's 16 regions. The awardees are selected based on the exceptional academic performance in the Basic Education Certificate Examination (BCE). It is to recognize and reward academic excellence to promote and encourage students with additional educational needs. The students are selected based on their raw score performance in the 2018-19 BECE. Each of the students received a Samsung Tab, 1-year supply of Nestle products, 10,000 CDs and other products from sponsors. The Minister of State in charge of tertiary education, Professor Kwesi Yankah, said the initiatives by the government is to improve on standards in the sector to produce quality human capital for the country. The MD of Nestle Ghana, Madam Philomena Tan, said Nestle Ghana will remain partner to the Ghana Education Service to groom the Ghanaian child to become competitive on the global stage, since education holds the key to a successful life.
Quality education is an investment for our youth and the core foundation for which a great nation builds on for an even greater future. We believe the private sector collaboration and support to government's effort are important to accelerate the attainment of United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is quality education.
The students' message to the president in different Ghanaian languages, they commended the government on several initiatives in the various sectors, but called for a safe environment and peaceful election in December 2020.
We appeal to the government to facilitate free, fair and transparent election this year, and pray for peace before, during and after the election, to avoid conflict of which we are the most vulnerable. Also, security should be strengthened to arrest any form of misconduct.
Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia said developing the country's human capital is what secures the growth of the country. The government will keep its promise to ensure that Ghana's human capital stands tall globally.
Confident, educated, skilled citizens is vital to any nation's development projects. And so, even though we are spending annually at the moment of about 2 billion Ghana cedis annually on free SHS, it is money worth spending for the future.
GBC News spoke to some of the award winners.
Well, I feel very happy. I'm grateful to God, and I thank all my teachers for helping me and teaching us very well.
I want to tell everyone, especially the people in my village, that they should work hard and they will also come here. When you work hard, you'll be awarded, and you let the sky be your limit.
Another school that won Independence Day quiz also received awards.